What's up YouTube? Mr. Gizmo here. 1975 Fiat Spyder. Locked out of the trunk. Why? Well, this is the lock. You can see nothing in there. How do we get in? Very easy. Unscrew the license plate. If you're very sensitive around your car's body being drilled into, just don't watch. So the lock is about in the middle of the license plate, and you can see we drilled a hole here. We put tape over it just so that the paint wouldn't crack and chip. So about half an inch to an inch below, between the screw holes, there's a hole right here. So I will show after I open this how the mechanism works. So we're going to enter the screwdriver slightly off to the left and then move the screwdriver this way to unlatch it. And voila. So you can see that the mechanism, here's the hole, the mechanism that locks around the hook is right here, and when the screwdriver is in, so can you see the mechanism being moved right there? That's me moving the screwdriver. That is exactly how you unlatch it. Okay, so this should work on all 70s Fiats, I think Spyders and Coupes. So, quick tip there. Kind of zoom out here in the garage to show what this car looks like. Very beautiful blue color. If you're wondering regarding the size of the hole to drill, it just has to be like a 1/4 inch. You know, any screwdriver that you can fit in there or fit through the hole will work. So we didn't patch the hole, we left the hole as is because for right now we're not really doing anything with the key in the lock. And this just gets covered up by the license plate. Probably don't have to get into the trunk that frequently, but when you do, that's the way to do it.